Hello everyone, you're welcome. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So what is VLC Media Player? VLC Media Player is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework which allows you to play most multimedia files as well as DVD, audio CDs, VCD and various streaming protocols. So how do we install this amazing app? Now we'll go to our web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use whichever browser that you like, and then you type VLC Media Player. And click on enter on your keyboard. Now the first link is the official website where you can download this app under videoland.org. Click on it. Now from their landing page you can see download VLC. Click on download VLC. You click on this to see the progress. As you can see, the progress bar is downloading. So once it finishes, we can now start installing. Now it has finished uninstalling. So this is it. Click on yes. Now it says here that I should select your language. We have various languages here, but I'm going to leave it as English. Then click on OK. Now click on next. You can read the license agreement and go ahead to click next. Click next again. So the destination folder, you can change it, but I'll leave it as a default destination folder. So I'll click install and it's installing for me. Once it reaches to the end, the installation will be completed. Now the installation has been completed. Make sure this box is checked that says run VLC Media Player. Check the box and click on finish. Let's minimize this. Minimize our browser. Now under the privacy and network access policy, check these two boxes. Allow metadata network access and regular check for VLC update. Continue. Now this is your VLC Media Player. You can maximize it. Now let's go and see if I can play a video. You right click, say open with VLC Media Player, and it's playing for you. So this is how you can install an app on your Windows 10 operating system. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you'll be the first to get notified. And don't forget to comment and share this video so that others will be able to learn as well. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.